Tell me what's happening nationally with
Well,
murders.
so far nationally, as it relates to murders, we have 13 murders since the start of the year. And we are just at, today
Today
is
the
the
13th.
13th. So 13 is a good number, sir.
I don't think
Look,
so. I think we should have been at 0, but since
yes,
we are at 13.
yes.
Jamaica, you see what me I telling you? When them say crime reduce, I'm telling you, yeah, the crime reduce. And the reason behind that is not because JCF a kill out gunman. It's because the police, them where commit the crime, take a step back. Because wherever entity create in the JCF and the JDF, it kind of put a little pressure. And the youth them were used to be align themselves with the police and the soldiers. Some of them dead, some of them go to jail, and some of them run away.
That my people, beautiful sunshine in Jamaica. Yeah man, I send some sunlight to the people when I cool, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself. It's not to every day my people we talk about the crime reduction in Jamaica for last year, 2005. Yeah, because the government and Babylon them feel like I just the youth them alone involved in the crime. No, them apartheid too. And only the youth them who see I get unalive and I get locked up by it. The bigger heads them now get no locked up by it. You see, crime can't just get eradicated if them not deal with it from the root. So to every them people, I'm gonna play a clip. I'm gonna share my thoughts and opinion after I watch a clip. You see, we just tune in and listen to the brothers say because the JCF, the JDF and the politician them apartheid the whole crime situation in Jamaica. And just the youth them. And some of the youth them get unalive innocently too. So just watch this my viewers and subscribers. If you thoughts in the comment, drop a like on the video and share it too. Watch this.
Jamaica, you see what me I telling you? When them say crime reduce, I'm telling you, yeah, the crime reduce. And the reason behind that is not because JCF a kill out gunman. It's because the police, them where commit the crime, take a step back. Because wherever entity create in the JCF and the JDF, it kind of put a little pressure. And the youth them were used to be align themselves with the police and the soldiers. Some of them dead, some of them go to jail, and some of them run away. And the reason for that, some of them take the lead sheet, make big money, and then not pay up. So them run to an next parish. And you don't know police and police work. So them go take out some of them youth there. That's why you see some of them youth there, you see them go for them. And then you hear say shootout from a room to one little corner. You take them from a room, you search them, no gun, and then go to a little corner and retrieve gun and shoot off a police. When you already have the people them, drag them up in them underpants and pull them away from one place to the next. You see? Because some of them youth there realize say death and destruction there them door. Some of them take with themselves. Bossy, things that get sticky, you know. So they can't really do no more of that fear, you know. Bossy say, what? You know my business and then you go tell me that so you can't do no more. So them go take out them youth the Jamaica. Make no mistake about it, Jamaica. And all of them youth they shoot off a police. Out of the 311 were dead last year, 2025. Maybe 10 of them shoot off a police. You hear me telling you? Most of the crime were happen on the island, me telling you a long time, it's the police and the soldiers that is involved in it. I told you no. But you never believe. You say we are trying to get JCF a bad name. No. JCF just get infiltrated with criminals. You understand? It's not the police them go turn criminal. It's criminals join the police. It's criminal join the army. And continue because that's the best way to continue crime. Now, how many drugs get busted that police involved in? You know, remember the police at Ochi race where them find with the heap of kilo. This a police that we used to talk about him deal with crime. Him a step on crime. You never hear nothing more about that case there. You remember the next police from Elliston Road when him reach Miami. The amount of cocaine. Suitcase full of cocaine. The person who did for retrieve it from the plane, call out or catch them cold feet and not show up at work. He get 30 years in America jail and was deported back to Jamaica. And Jamaica, do you believe, after 5 years of returning on the island, he went back to work with JCF? Come on, Jamaica. Come on. So you think, say, he moved from in dirty deed, Jamaica, where the police girl where they get all in America. When I try to retrieve our documents to see how our case go, it is sealed. That means she give up the information. She don't get deported. She don't get deported. The docket sealed. And there's a reason for sealed documents. Yeah? She still do a little jail time. But her docket sealed. And maybe she don't even in a jail. Now Jamaica. Soldiers busted with how much guns. Police are get busted with how much drugs. Every time you have a big drug bust and a big gun bust, police and soldier. Then, JCF would have say we are tell lie pan the force? Huh? Why you think them so adamant and quick to take out some of them youth? Because the youth them know them deeds. Yeah? The youth them know them deeds. And the youth them get cold feet. And I take with themselves. Some of them no make no money, and when them look, them see that certain police there, that certain soldier there, 2 BC having a yard a skate down the toll. And the big house gone up in a no time. But JCF and JDF, you go on like you take the public for fool. Like you no read between the line. Like you blind. Our police were join the force or the soldier join the army. And in 5 years, 2 years, them have the big house gone up. Them have the bar open up. Them have the restaurant open up. Them have the grocery store open up. Them have the beast park up. Them have the 3-4 taxi on the road. And you tell me, say, see me own see them little youth here. We have one little girl with desperate for man at Jamaica. We are sending a little food come give man and buy one car. Uno seize them vehicle. Uno seize them vehicle and say, hey, we think you're a scammer where you get the money, I prove it to you. I want woman a foreign send the money come. Uno take with them vehicle and keep it for yourself. So all the fuck JCF and JDF can't look into them members and say, come here, something not right. You just joined force in 5 years. You have plaza. You have taxi company. You have taxis on the road. You have restaurant. You have bar. You got wholesale. Yeah? How the freak? Who do not look into that? Then some of them come now. Them a music producer. All of a sudden, you just get rich overnight. But the little youth them we have put up them little house. And them who no label up. When I want little girl with desperate for man at Jamaica and mind them up. Who no go seize them things. What about the police will get busted because him return back to the United States? He get jail time. Eh? And how much apartment complex where him own and plaza where the United States asked the Jamaica government to seize. Did those property get seized? Or them build one trust and move it over in the trust? Jamaica and the police them and the soldier them are commit 50% of the crime on the island. You hear me say? Make no mistake. I said it. I said it. And them are the biggest gun sellers. Them are the Jamaica. Remember the police who then catch in a Mountain View area and sell bullets? Where them case they go? Eh? You take Jamaica people for fool, but you don't want nobody talk the truth. After the reality, say 50% of the crime on the island is done by JDF and JCF members. I said so. And you don't like what I say? Shove it. But the reality of the truth must be told. See, I saw it go. And it's sad. This is so much youth get get murdered. And you say a gun, you take off of them. No, tell the truth. Tell the truth, Jamaica. Tell the truth, JDF and JCF. The youth them know the dirty deed. Some of them was a part of it. And then get cold feet because you know pay up no money. And them say, yeah, use them. So them stop. And you know feel like them are going to talk on the business. So you going to murder them. I said so with no apology.
So my viewers and subscribers, a reality brother talk. Everything my brother talk are facts. And if you don't know them things, you live on the rock of Jamaica. Remember me tell you, because corruption is right across the board. And I just say youth them don't get up and get corrupt. So you have to have somebody behind them, or motivate them, or fund them, or fuel them. You see, that's why certain things get out of control. Who are bringing the gun them? Who are import them? Who are letting them go up on the streets? Countless of time we hear about police do this, police do that, and then we just fade away. So but when we hear say certain youth get hold with this and hold with that, either them get unalive or them get locked up and then freedom just gone. So countless of time we hear them things there. Where the brother saying in every day are reality. The politicians them, JCF, JDF, them are part of it. Because all the time we see them get caught with certain things and hold with certain things or do certain things and we don't hear nothing come out of that. Yeah, but as soon as we say a youth XYZ or a youth this, Babylon running upon him. All of them innocent, them running upon him. The people them, where the bigger heads, where the mastermind them behind everything. We now hear them are running upon them. And if they even do running upon them, after a time, we don't hear nothing about it again. It just fade away. We as Jamaican people, we're happy for hear say crime rate I go down. But we're not happy for hear say the innocent youth them get involved in the police brutality too. We're not happy for that. We as Jamaican glad you know say Babylon them a do a work, but them not do work professionally. We not hear no bigger heads I get locked up too. We not hear say certain people I get hold on for. We not hear that. I just say youth them get unalive and I say I go on and shoot out and this and that. You know what I mean? So my viewers and subscribers, when they be aware of them things, know them things. I know so Jamaica run from morning till now. We're not glad for say the police brutality are up on a high rise. We're not glad for that. We want to see the police man wear body camera and them things and show and shout out and go on. So we can see them things for ourselves as citizens. And stop speculating about the Babylon them and I say this and I say that. See, because when always come the same old story, shout out on the fine gun and we can't see gun and we can't I tell you the truth people. Don't just be aware. Drop a like on the video, share it out, subscribe if you know, and remember to turn on notifications so you can get them type of videos and content. See? Big up on yourself. Banging.